SNEB'S biology. In the previous video lecture, we have completed discussing regarding the epithelial tissues. Okay, and if you have missed those videos, then don't worry. Click the three buttons on the left corner of the screen and go to the I from SNEB'S biology, and there you can find all the videos regarding the epithelial tissues. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss about the second type of tissue, that is the connective tissue. Okay, but before that, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon next to the subscription button, select all so that you can get notified from us. Okay, so let's start. As I have already discussed in the classification of the tissues, that these connective tissues are for connection. Okay, these connective tissues, they protect our body, they support our body and the various body organs. Okay, and the various connective tissues, they bind together. Okay, they bind together in organs, and also they store energy reserves as fat, and they also protect us from, they also boost our immunity from various microorganisms or disease causing organisms. Okay, clear? What are their functions? They support our body and its organs, they store energy reserves as fat, and they also boost our immunity. Clear? So these are the functions of the connective tissues. Clear? Now let us discuss the composition of these tissues. Okay, so considering the composition, we are saying tissues, right? So obviously these are made up of cells. So the first element of the tissues are the cells, and the second one is the extracellular matrix. Extracellular matrix. Okay, so these cells are derived from the mesenchymal cells. Remember this. From where these cells are derived? The cells of the connective tissues are derived. They are derived from the mesenchymal cells. Okay, and if we compare with the extracellular matrix with the cells of the connective tissues, these cells are very few in numbers. Okay, clear? Now come to this extracellular matrix. So considering the composition of the extracellular matrix, they are made up of two things. The first one is the protein fibers, and the second one is the ground substance. Clear? So what is the ground substance? Ground substance is the material between the cells and fibers. Okay, what is ground substance? Remember this. Ground substance is the material between the cells and the fibers. And considering the fibers in the extracellular matrix, we can get three types of fibers. Okay, so what are those? The first one is the collagen fiber. The second one is the elastic fiber. And the third one is the reticular fiber. Okay, what are the fibers? Collagen fibers, elastic fibers, and reticular fibers. So these collagen fibers are made up of collagen. Okay, and the elastic fibers are made up of elastin and fibrillin. Okay, and these reticular fibers, these are made up of type 3 collagen. Okay, clear? Remember this. Collagen are made up of collagen. Okay, elastic fibers are made up of elastin and fibrillin, whereas the reticular fibers are made up of type 3 collagen. Okay, remember the scheme. The connective tissues are made up of two things. Okay, two elements, cells and extracellular matrix. In the extracellular matrix, we get two elements. What are they? They are the protein fibers and the ground substance. And in the ground substance, we find the material between the cells and the fibers. And considering the fibers, there are three types of fibers. Okay, basically there are three types of fiber: collagen, elastin, and reticular fiber. Okay, clear? So in the where this extracellular matrix is derived. Okay, so this extracellular matrix is secreted from the cells of the connective tissue. Okay, connective tissue. Clear? These extracellular matrix are derived or these are secreted from the cells of the connective tissue, and this extracellular matrix determines the quality of the tissue. Okay, remember this. Okay, now come to the connective tissue. These connective tissues are richly supplied with blood vessels. Okay, so that's why these are vascular. Clear? As the connective tissues are richly supplied with blood vessels, then these connective tissues are vascular. But there is an exception to it. What is that exception? The cartilage. Okay. The cartilage is a connective tissue which is avascular. It is very, very important. Clear? Cartilage come under connective tissue which is avascular. It is not supplied with blood vessels. Okay, remember this. Now let's discuss about the classification of the connective tissues. Okay, so considering the classification, there is no clear-cut classification of these connective tissues. Why? Because of three factors. First, the number 1 point is the diversity of the cells. Okay. Second point is the diversity of the extracellular matrix. And the third point is the difference between the relative proportions, okay, of the cells and the extracellular matrix. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, we have a scheme for the classification of the connective tissue. So let's discuss about that. So these connective tissues can be classified under two categories. The first one is the embryonic connective tissue, and the second one is the mature connective tissue. Okay. So under embryonic connective tissue, there are two types of connective tissue. The first one is the mesenchyme, and the second one is the mucous connective tissue. Clear? And under mature connective tissue, 5 types of tissue come. The first one is the dense connective tissue. The second one is the loose connective tissue. The third one is the cartilage. The fourth one is the bone tissue. And the last one is the liquid connective tissue. Okay. Remember the scheme. Embryonic connective tissue and mature connective tissues are the two types of connective tissue. Under embryonic connective tissue come the mesenchyme and the mucous connective tissue, whereas under mature connective tissue come our dense connective tissue, loose connective tissue, cartilage, bone tissue and liquid connective tissue. Okay, and we will discuss all these tissues one by one in our next video. Okay, so till then, stay tuned with us. Do like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to the subscription button to get notified from us. Okay, thank you.